Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will study about computer project. Let us see what we have here. Here, computer project. Microsoft Excel. We will speak about Microsoft Excel. Okay. I'm Ahmed Mezher Bakarman. I'm grade 6A. Let's see. Yeah, Bismillah. What is Excel? It is spreadsheet program in the Microsoft Office. You can use MS Excel to create and format workbook in order to analyze data and make informed business decisions. Here we have some photos about Excel. Let's see. This is Excel. You can do anything that you want, meaning certificates. It's good. It is it has a benefit for life. Okay, we have two photos about Excel. And now we speak about Excel, and goodbye.